And if you ever feel like you want to read my story, you are welcome to buy my books on Amazon. I have just released my latest fictional book, actually, and it's called Plotting the Murder of Sabrina.
Hmm.
So, enough of me. Let's introduce our guest in studio today, Dawn Adams. Hello, Dawn.
Hello, Johanna.
Welcome, and
Thank
thank you
you.
for being on my podcast.
Well, thank you so much for having me. I thank God for being here and you. And I don't want to leave out our colleague, Deborah Whiteham. She introduced us and she said she was going to, and the next day I heard from you. So thanks for having me.
You are very welcome. I'm always looking for people with amazing stories, and I believe that you have an amazing story to tell. So, would you like to start to just fully introduce yourself? Tell us what you do for a life, and let's just get to know you a little before we start.